Scarcity of water hits Ramsapathar PHEWSS scheme, locals facing potable water crisis. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbinung Live Primetime English News. The Ramsapathar water supply scheme located under Singhasan constituency has been facing lack of enough water sources to supply clean water to the public. The tube well in the scheme had been kept unused due to the presence of excess fluoride in the groundwater. The water supply scheme located Longnit and Silveta was set up in the year 1992. Since then, the scheme started supplying water to public until the public complained of the presence of high amount of fluoride in the water. Due to the high fluoride content in the groundwater, 6 years ago, water had to be brought from the nearby Babuchan River. However, water level in Babuchan River goes down and often dries up. This has led to the acute shortage of water among in Ramsapathar, Paplang and Borsing Tiso village throughout the year. Locals say that they could not even dig wells in Ramsapathar area due to emission of toxic gas while digging. Recently, with the purpose of supplying drinking water to the students of Singhasan ME School, a well was being dug. But after digging 25 feet, the work had to be stopped before reaching water level due to gas emission.
Pininil tum Karbinglong live pen ladak PHC mate Ramsapathar labang so WSS PHC asai MC dolo labang 1992 ni kansi labang so PHC labang so dak rongberong thagara tumhan langke dor prup labang so kijuna lang chinglu ching thielang mesen lang ki PG phansi ladak PHC department pen claim ponlo setame sining dugalam bangalado ladak Cukudam tang wana ningkan pen oni ningkan trok sosilo water testing laboratory ateng pen pulote ladak bang stame fluoride bang ke ong par pi ajoini si non bang ke aro alang si ladak rong berong thagara tumhan alang supply pu system men sila non bang ke ladak tangki filter pen chenglok pen ang ahormu dang nang semal lo sitamen ladak adung het aro bang ke non barla purs dami kreng haklo lasi labang so aro pen ke ladak stock pus dami doriye lasi dagara tuma ke manga bang ke prabjin pen aro ke thepi pil lang pasan pensi ladak rong berong thagara susame supply pinang po
Atenil to makisu bangala po lo je ningkan si bangke chiklo yon kre ini sido boy pisan itum ke chiklo yon ni jon thom pen suppose January February March pen tin itum ke langki sung lo an ke kecho sok dam dang ya dim ta lagle non ali tum hanang nu na bakla on po la ni tum scheme pen ke dam hala so to war hen lo jo check up hanga room si dam nang ji hadak lang clover si do lang dong block ko hedi hadak do lagle litum dam ra per nang iltum thekam long sar ji ladak pen ni tum ke cipadora bangke ika kisung bangala po hen lo ring le chutuk sitan ni tum ke arlo gas do up to non em school so kituk tala dakalang ni tum school da paklang ponang yo da dakta me pinangan kupinya food ban hudlo latang ke arlong chak laglo gas do koklo non hudlong de derlo la school sorta la puson da kisung sikidolo ni tum bangke lang bangke duk piglo Singhasan em school
Singhasan M school daklo
la puson lang aki duk do da Anpen pini Jun mobe pini ne putakali lang even akiso hormu fluoride ta dutulang
fluoride ta
iri ekeng ki jud isu betheta daglap titi la so kisung bentali tum mage duk topik lo la si chuning ri lo arang litum la akithe giding tum CMEM tum chitame dili tum ban la so kisung banang payok thek brote kurwang tuni tum churuk pigi
lalo la sila dak rong Ramsapathar arong ara tum stami penangana lam ak pedalam lang tundang nang pachini no labangso asa hemba bangke arlo machine dolo ladak bangke fluoride dak do opusi labangso fluoride machine stami dak semar ponlo sitame ladak jasme da bangke arlo alang mate ringwell ta la tubewell alang bangke sokpon nang nelu pusi labangso tangki alang litum ladak filter sistem mokhalang litum pinchong polo lapen labangso tangki ladak so tangki pensi ladak adung het isiaroi do babuchan pu isiaroi do labangso aroi pensi alang litum ladak PHC labangso Ramsapathar WSS pensami ladak lang van verlos tamen non bangke la lokisung bangke alang bang thepop titi se thepop titi amasi non bangke dak rong thomara ratum bangke ningkan kang tim kijuna lang kabidera joini si penangan non apunat isi long chordu hadak si sosok dam nang no.
The PHE department had also attempted to install ring wells, but they also faced similar result. In the absence of proper water source nearby, villagers are forced to depend on a small mountain streamlet to meet the daily demand of water. There are around 800 people living in the 3 villages. Locals say that they had been looking after the scheme and maintaining the cleanliness of the site. They had been always waiting for the leaders who travel along the NH36 to stop by and come and see the condition of the scheme. KAAC PHE EM Prodip Rongpi visited the site on Friday and directed the SDO and employees of the water supply scheme to immediately identify a perennial source of water from where the scheme can get continuous supply.
La sinili non da ram sab thai scheme long sido la sinili muhep da EM sar bang lo EM sar ben nili tum ching lai ching sai lo la si EM sar same munang pudakang lo ba nili same than lo kisung boy lam bangke la si daga kisung nai bangke lang ke dor de puthak sinili tum ching lai ching sai lo la si EM sar same muhep pudakang lo je ke dor klubia lang kunama na ni tum rida moy ku si SDO sar phana pugang lo EM sar bang la si la Sarabang la SDO Sarabang ke pinap kalde pinap big sibang po la sikuna ma ke dor pudia lang ma ke dor de je lang la so lang bang rida ma la kam klem na usi alang tu muher lam chak tik pidiang lo sonyan la.
It may be mentioned that the department had already set up a shortage and filter facility in the scheme. They are only looking for a good source of water. Bikram Terence report from Danarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chumesen hanaan long iji ladak nanglitum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji. Kelong jia sonamong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserangahan hipi gipi chatni dumke karlu phak ok kiup phak ok slice fry phak ok kipi phak ok kimung lang ok kiup lang ok fry vo ok kimung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponeji. Komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga jai megalongta nangji pulote long iji. Aprang pen kepathi ke jia phan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-239-862 along humri lote long ponichi. Lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniglo. Dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka Karbi Anglong. The newly constructed road between Jirikindeng and Skap under number 9 Amreng constituency is under the public radar over its quality. Within short time, the road had suffered severe damages at several locations and the upper layer is being easily removed. This has exposed the failure of the contractors and the authority in maintaining the quality as per government guidelines. Locals have said that they were very excited and happy to see a new road being constructed to ease their communication woes. But now they are utterly shocked and disappointed as the quality had been compromised. Locals had been hoping that local leaders including MEC Rina Terangpi will look after and supervise the construction of the road. The lack of attention towards the people of the area coupled with ignorance of local leaders had gave the contractor full scope to exploit the circumstances leading to the compromise of its quality.
Local leader tumo phanse tame alang litum aphanta suning rilo alang litum labang su tuwar kasalam ahut alang litum bang pen nang silang asante thang khudaji athema non lapan pin a labang su tuwar las alang litum nang rabji plotang te alang litum nang rap pameka nangji bate alang litum yongsi labang su anong chapathe ji plotang te latum alang litum anong chapayu mesen nangji lasi lapan pin tuwar lasi nilitum bangke rong su tumbanga sapsu ning oi chet lo thema non het yong ka salam tuwar si non la an puan pin la se hala a contractor ka salam bang phan sta me alang le tum thang da pudun da det bon alang le tum aneng hang ling klem dam waret la se asarok sta me non la son thak thak si me det la.
While some portions of the road are still incomplete, the other parts are already damaged. As such, many said the road will not last even for a year. Following this, locals has urged upon the concerned authority to take immediate action in this regard and to direct the contractor for reconstruction of the damaged portion. Something in this report from Jirikindeng, Karbi Anglong Live. Allegation of anomalies in the implementation of government schemes meant for the poor families are doing rounds in the Hill District. And in a latest development, Dhoniram Rongpi rejected the allegation of anomalies made against him related to the job card work. Here is a report from our Puloni correspondent.
Dhoniram Rongpi in a press conference has rejected the allegation made against him and Bika Ronghangpi over the art filling work at Medical Sub-Center inside Chapong Khorsing Kro village located 2 kilometers away from Center Market. Rejecting the charges against him, Rongpi stated that all of the centrally sponsored schemes as sanctioned and allotted for the area have been fully implemented. Rongpi further stated that all of the free housing allotted for the village has been completed and therefore the allegations of misuse of fund are totally baseless.
See 19 earning social media long kit hek pon long je chapong arong long bika rong hangpi lapen Dhoniram Rongpi nili han lo nili tum se job kara passbook pangrum lab lab job kara poisa en lab lab np lab lab pu la salam bangke kali coba la salam bangke la se la salam bangke kali puang the bangke la lo nili tum ilong bak scheme si ke patang tidak awe mesen penalong tin scheme dari tum patang an ki pmy ahem an dari tum patang la sita kongres sut ko ani ke tangte la ke ka du beta thenglong prong ai ahem ihum bak chapong long kar jap lok duma ihum dawe 33 id nangele do la so 33 id nangele ta a to z report ne pithe hala so report ta hala he tum han ke ni tum ajate interfere kuri unde sita nitum phan kiklem mesen kiklem chok lim pen scheme patang lor penan ta komane interfere nang kuri dun bor idet labang ke chokche
ki chokche polam bangke prang chethan erlo stame nilitum bangke ki chokche kalilo non ke bang thu ba non do bom sarkar long se hedi ki ong dung ke develop ke kilong ke ong lo atheman nilitum ke aprang pen la tu Chapong nara bengli rong bentang pada tawar tami hedi anu jokon tanang sombang awi ningkan kuan ni tami nona adolong tangtilang tami anu jokon kinang somlo na pen pinipu inglong ke damji ke doji atwaron tahedi ningkan silong batahini ke thom pasur pon bomlo na pen non sitame ako MLA sabang hedi no hang sango ba ako non tami dak rong fupen ho daan tawar nang pilo la pen hola ham phang market cooperative society hala pinipen hedi la puta punang pilo na pen hema mukha tame ni tumarong kumpan ke chethan der lu mane arong bang sinang chethan tu serlo je hemso rong tu ni thanu serlo lao ne hemso ki kim pilo patang pilo pen non ki kim nain dolang dani tu ke patang labji.
The woman who made allegations before Karbi Anglong Live has on Friday stated that she made the statement under the influence of 1 or 2 individuals who manipulated her. She stated that all beneficiaries withdrew money on their own and a JCB excavator was used during the work and the payment was also fully paid. Further, she stated that cardholders had benefited from the work.
Bahinia muni nang khang chek lo ang tum sang tha pulo sang kok lo ang ke alang tum nang pulo pia kam lo da ki claim ke pu pia kam ji claim lo mang ke la so job kar ma lo ke ban pu ason batahini ke thom pulo amang ke kuma sikivan pulo ola tum sikivan pulo atum sikivan pulo ke job kar kam ke nang tum claim long lo ma claim long lo pu 20 ปีวันล่อ20 ปีพันกี่ปีล่ออันแกปอยซ่านังตุ้มปาสบุลองทับเอลโลปูล่ออามานี่ตุ้มจุไลดำแดดจุไลดำแดดล่อ20 ปีพันอันฮับปีน้อยอันหานังตุ้มจิคังไว้ปูล่อ
Dirchuna Rong Peace Report from Puloni for Karbi Anglong Live.
And that is all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.